What's going on YouTube? Davinci of Framed by Davinci here. I'm a fashion and portrait photographer located in Miami, Florida, and I want to take you behind the scenes of another shoot. Let's go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll
Davinci, Framed by Davinci, man. We're back with another episode. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Today I got another fashion shoot with Yaya. I'm just setting up right now. We're doing this I think she's doing this all black look. So I'm doing a 2-light setup with the gold oxes. So I'll see y'all soon. behind the scenes. I'm trying to get way more active on this channel with these behind the scenes of these fashion shoots and these editorial looks, and giving more value on my channel. I feel so bad that I haven't done this sooner, but now it's no excuse. So if I'm doing it, you could be doing it too, man. Framed by Davinci. I'll see you on the next one.